Hello. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enable the trash option in the Contacts app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This useful feature allows you to move deleted contacts to the trash, where they will be saved instead of being permanently deleted. That way, you can easily restore contacts if you accidentally delete them. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Contacts app. Once you're in, you will see 3 lines in the upper left corner. Tap them to open the menu. Then, in the upper right corner, tap the gear icon to access settings. Once you're in settings, you will see the trash option. Simply tap the switch next to this option to enable it. After enabling this option, go back to Contacts, then tap the 3 lines in the upper left corner again to open the menu. In the menu, select the trash option. In this section, you will see all the contacts you delete, and they will remain in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. During this time, you can restore contacts if you change your mind or accidentally delete a contact. And that's it. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.